Hi everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In the previous videos, we have already added the slider section, 4 images with buttons. Everything is working perfectly. Now in this lecture, we will move forward and continue designing our homepage step by step. So first of all, let's go back to our Elementor editing page. Now scroll down and come below the images section where you want to add the video. Click on the plus icon to add a new section. From here, select the single column structure. Now this section is added. Go to the elements panel on the left side. Find the video widget. Now drag and drop the video widget into this section. And you can see a video placeholder on the screen. On the left side, you will see video settings. By default, YouTube is selected as the video source. If you click on the source option, you can see different options like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, WordPress, and self-hosted. But for now, I am going to use a YouTube video. Now copy your YouTube video link, remove the default link from here, and paste your video link into the link field. Now you can see the video is preview. For this tutorial, I want to keep player controls on because visitors should control the video. And lazy load is also enabled for better performance. Now click on the preview icon and you can see the YouTube video is working perfectly and it looks very nice. Now close the preview and go back to the editing page. Now we will add 6 more images. Click on the plus icon to add a new section. I want to use a 3-column layout, but the 3-column layout option is not available. So first select the 2-column structure. After adding 2 columns, duplicate the inner section. Now you can see the 3 columns are ready. For the first column, click on the plus icon and drag and drop the image widget. For the second and third, follow the same process. Now select the first column image widget and here click on the choose image. Select an image and after that insert media. For the second and third images, follow the same process. Now we have 3 images and they looks good. Now we want to add the styles text below the images. Click on the plus icon, drag and drop the inner section and place it below the image. Inside the inner section, drag and drop the heading widget and write the text. For example, I write Islamabad. Now go to the styles tab, set alignment to center, increase the font size using typography section and change the text color if needed. Now go to the advanced tab and set 10 pixel margin on all sides. Do the same process for padding. Now we need to add a background color. Scroll down and select background and here I select gradient background. A gradient is a combination of 2 colors. Choose the first color, then choose the second color. Now the text background looks very good. Now we want to move the text closer to the image. Now scroll up and select position to the absolute. Now use offset Y and set value as per your requirement. Now the heading is perfectly placed on the image. Now right click on the heading and click copy. Now right click on the second image section and click paste. And do the same process for the third image. Now just click on the text and change the headings for the second and third images. Now right click on the 6 dots of the whole section. Click duplicate. Now we have 6 images. Change the images text for the 4th, 5th and 6th images. Now everything looks very clean and professional. Now we are going to add the about section. Click on the plus icon to add a new section. Select 2-column structure. For the left column, drag and drop the text editor widget. Write about Pakistan and make the text bold and underline. Press enter and paste your paragraph text using Ctrl+V. And for the right column, drag and drop the image widget, click choose image, insert the image, and now the about section is ready. I noticed one thing is missed. In the upper section, we only added images and text, but no heading. Move your mouse above the visiting places section, click on the plus icon, add a single column section. Drag and drop the heading widget here and write best visiting places. Now go to the styles tab and set alignment to the center. Increase the font size from typography and change the text color as per your requirement. Now click on the preview to see the result. You can see that the About section and Visiting Places section are very close. Now go back to the Editor section and select the About section here. Now go to the Advanced tab and unlink margin. Add 25 pixel top margin. Now spacing looks good. Now we will add the contact section. Click on the template icon. Go to the blocks, search for contact and click filter. Select starter templates because we are using the free version. Choose a contact block you like, click insert, and after that click install and import. Now the contact form and details are added, and you can easily change the heading, edit text, and update contact numbers. And for the social icons, click on it and go to the left menu. Here select the Facebook and here add your Facebook link. And for the other social icons, repeat the same process. After that, you will see that the About section and Contact section are very close. For that, click on the sixth dot of the Contact section, go to the Advanced tab, unlink margin and add 25 pixel top margin. Now click on Publish and after that, now refresh the page. Wow, everything looks very beautiful, clean, and professional. The video is working perfectly, images are aligned, text looks amazing, and the contact form is ready. This page is now fully complete.